This video will show you how to replace the washer fluid reservoir filler neck on a Ford Transit 250. This will be located along the passenger side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Starting up inside the engine compartment, we're going to locate our washer fluid filler neck. Up along the top area, you're going to find that you have a T25 Torx screw to be removed. Just a quick inspection of that. If it needs to be replaced, now's the time to do it. This looks good. Let's continue on. Now at this point, we can move this around. We're having a look all the way down in this area. Now I can see where the washer fluid filler neck goes into my washer fluid reservoir. Let's carefully pull this out of place. If there's any debris in this area, you're going to want to clean it down. Let's go ahead and carefully lift up on this and we'll pull it up and out of the area. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any part, of course, we want to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. As for this, I'm just using a clean rag. I don't want to use any detergents. I don't want anything making its way inside of my washer fluid. This looks good. Now it's time to install our brand new washer fluid reservoir filler neck. Let's carefully get this in position. Now as I bring it down in this area, I'm attempting to align the very end of it with the corresponding port on the washer fluid reservoir. We can see that we do have that rubber grommet. Let's continue on pressing this in as far as possible. Once you feel as though you have it in there, we're going to be paying attention up along the top next. Up in this area, we have our plastic bracket along the top of the washer fluid reservoir. Let's just get this aligned. We're starting our mounting bolt and we'll snug it up. Okay friend, we finished our installation. Now the next thing you want to do is make sure that you open the cap, fill the reservoir with your preferred washer fluid, and close the cap when you're done. After that, just go ahead and test the functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.